Good evening to all the IDIA members, scholars and donors. My name is Vipin Kumar and I am currently in my 5th year at Rajiv Gandhi National Law University, Patiala, Punjab. And keeping in mind the shortage of time, I will be very quick. And through these pictures, I will be sharing my experiences with IDIA and some experience that I gained before joining IDIA. Never feel sad on losing anything in your life, because whenever a tree loses its leaf, a new leaf is ready to take its place. This is the second picture, and when I took this picture, the one thing that came to my mind was these three things, these three candles depicts the wishes of our parents, the desires of our parents, and these when this burns, it means that our parents are sacrificing their wishes just to fulfill our wishes. And I have seen my father; he had some wishes when I was in my 9th or 10th. Then I saw him sacrificing those wishes just to fulfill our need of our education, my brothers and my sisters' education. So that picture says something which I really like. This one is also one of my favorite pictures. Whenever I see this picture, I am reminded of one of my experience in my 10th and 11th class. Due to financial problems, I have to stop my education after 10th. So some of my relatives and some of my friends, they advised me to get a job part time and at least complete your 12th class, because at that time that was the basic criteria. So therefore I went on to become a courier guy, delivered couriers to people at 1 rupees per courier. I had to ride cycle 5 kilometers and deliver that courier. So at that time I realized the value of that 1 rupee. So from that moment I really appreciate the value of money, that it's way much costly. And thereafter I went on to work as in the wedding palaces preparing juice. Then I went on to become a scooter mechanic, worked there for 2 months. Then thereafter I went to work in a Kiryana shop. Then thereafter I went to become a salesman in an electronic shop. And this electronic shop, this thing went on for 1.5 years. And from the money which I earned from these kinds of works, I completed my work, plus I supported the education of my brother also. Next. This one is my favorite picture, because this picture I have taken in my college, and these barb fences are put up around on the walls of my hostel boundary. So one fine morning I woke up and saw this barb fences on the wall. So the first thing that came to my mind, oh, what will happen to my friends who always go by this way, jump off the wall and go to wedding palaces and do the wedding crashers wala thing. So I was very disappointed. यार अब क्या होगा उनका? So I took my camera, went to the wall and took some 2-3 pictures. And this picture, that's why I like it most, because this constant the freedom of my friends. So now they can't go to palaces and enjoy their freedom. This picture denotes basically whatever is your passion or whatever your aim is, just honestly go towards that. The way in this picture, the sea is supporting that ship. It's making the way for the ship. The same way, if you are honest towards your work, honest towards your goal, then life will make way for you. So don't give up. Just keep going. Sunset. This picture basically says, don't sit idle and do something in a day So at the end of the day, you don't feel like, dude, I didn't do anything productive today. So make your day count, so that next day a new your life will bring you a new task or a new challenge. So be ready to accept that challenge. And this one is the last. And to be honest, this picture got most likes on Instagram. That's why it's here. So nothing else. This is my final semester in my college, and I really want to thank Professor Shamraj sir and all the IDIA directors, members who have supported me in all these 5 years, be it financially, be it academically, be it emotionally. Because I was from a government school, Hindi medium school, and I didn't know how to speak English. So these people, they trained me, and they taught me how to speak, how to, I was afraid of this thing, speaking to people at large. So now I'm overcoming this fear, and it's all because of you, sir. And I promise I will never let you down in future. Thank you.
It's our time. Don't step out, stay inside. Your life in these four walls confide. Don't talk back, just stay mum. Your opinion goes back to where it came from. Suppressed and denied are the joys of life. Is this the reason in the heat we strive? Question no woman until one day they realized they did have a say. Standing tall, we took the fall, learning from the wrongs, lessons and all. Women with the power can transform a generation. Battling the pressures, they are a sensation. One woman Prime Minister since 69 years. One woman President amidst 12 others. Who decides the expiry date of women? No one. It's time now to show 'em.
I am known to be a person who's known for singing and known for talking, just I am right now. I never stop talking if I start to do so. This is my passion. Talking, interacting, and music has been one of my greatest passions. My mom is a housemaid and she happens to work in Bangalore's top pianist. Her name is Mrs. Sheila Mascarenas. This lady took me and she gave me all the support that I needed in the field of music. I graduated with a degree of vocal music when I was in the 4th grade from the Bangalore School of Music. I was given a sponsorship from a person I have not seen until now. A person from abroad who sponsored classes for me to study guitar in one of the top music schools of Bangalore, which is the Bangalore School of Music. I had graduated with my degree of guitar for 9 years in my 8th grade. And now I am proudly holding a degree of piano from the Trinity College, London. I am an instructor, a legal instructor. I have around 6 students of keyboard, 2 students of guitar and 2 students of piano who I teach to, and believe it or not, this is the main source of income that I am giving to my parents. As I said, even though my parents were really supportive of me getting to study, they did not want me to get into law, as law is a huge process. However, they said me just do a basic 3-year degree course, finish the degree and start earning money and help the family. This was one of my initiatives. This was something I could do from my end for all that they've been doing for me. Before coming out of my 12th standard, before graduating, my only strong point was science and mathematics. I did not even know that law had such a huge scope. I was so focused and narrow-minded that after I finished my 12th grade, I'm going to go on and pursue my biology or degree in biology, finish it off, go to a work, earn some meager money, and give my parents the mere meals and the lifestyle that they would require, the medium needs. Ideally, I happened to come to our college and conduct a sensitization program. Through this, I got to know about all the various fields and the scope of law. That law is not only restricted to one particular city, one particular state, or one particular country. Law is vast. If you take law, it's not that you have to just litigate or just hear proceedings in the court or listen to people talk, or you have to talk to cases. No, law is more than just that. Law is life, and that is what I believed was my passion. So here I am standing right now in front of you. Journey is more important than the destination. I never want to stop studying law because once I get that degree, it's over. I want to keep going over and over the journey. And I believe in Carpe Diem. And this is the second and last poetry that I've written. It is called Carpe Diem, and it's about seizing the moment. It's a long, enduring mind that lays ahead. It's almost impossible to go there, they said. Seize the moment and make it your best. Just stay focused, forget the rest. Keep the flame burning, don't lose trust. The dawn will bring sunshine, bright and just. The key is to live and not to survive. Drive away fears, stay strong and alive. And as you walk on, help a man or two. You'll soon find that joy has become you. The hand you help may be the hand you need. Cross the realms and adhere. Seize the moment, Carpe Diem. Build your kingdom, your regime. And all those little things that seem dour will all come together by the passing hour. As destination gets closer, you will find impossible is just a word in the mind. It's the journey that matters, not the end. Carpe Diem, seize the moment, my friend. Thank you.